Hello again, my name is Kiet from Jolly Kitchen. Here is what we are going to cook today. Grilled spicy lemongrass chicken. Like most of everything you do in cooking, preparation is the key to speed things up and check if you need anything else. So we are going to start off by preparing marinating sauce ingredients. The first key ingredient is coriander root. Next, you want to get the stalk of fresh lemongrass, cut and sliced just like this. It is such a versatile ingredient and has such a pungent aromatic. Like most of everything you do in cooking, preparation is the key to speed things up and check if you need anything else. Another one that can't be missed from the list is garlic. You may need a few cloves for this one. You might have seen me doing this before. Start with the dry ingredients first, and then work our way down to the rest. First thing I want to add is black pepper. I am going to pound these trios in mortar and pestle until they all get a rough paste. I have to admit that a shelf with clearance or marked down on price is my favorite spot. Because stores need to clear out the way for the new fresh products, so the one is about to expire we have to get out of the way. Now it's come down to the question, is it safe to consume products that label about to expire in a couple of days? The short answer is absolutely yes. Here is the marked down price chicken from the local supermarket, which is priced under around $5. Clean the whole bird and then make a butterfly cut. For this side of the shoot, you could make around 2 to 3 servings. Next, we are going to start marinating the chicken. Grab a good size of mixing bowl and then start adding herb paste. I will add chopped lemongrass in here. And then followed by the thin soy sauce. Another ingredient to help chicken skin brown is sugar. Today I use raw brown sugar. And then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cardamom powder. Add some fish sauce into the mix as well. Last but not least, chili powder. If you like it hot, add a lot. Stir everything in the bowl until it's all well combined. Now it is time to get your hands dirty. Grab chicken pieces and carefully place them into the marinating sauce. Use your hand to rub over. Just make sure it's covered with sauce. Once you have finished, cover it up with the cling wrap. It's best to marinate it overnight or at least 2 to 3 hours before cooking. A true northern Thai would pair grilled chicken with sticky rice. Therefore, while waiting for the marinade, I'll soak sticky rice and will steam it as a side dish. If you are curious where I get this white bag from, it is from local bunning store. It comes very handy when using in my cooking. Alright, it's time to cook the marinade chicken. I am going to preheat the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. Use the top and bottom heat. First 20 minutes, we are going to cook the chicken at this heat until the chicken skin feels tight. And then we are going to switch to fan force and turn down the temperature to 170 degrees and cook for another 30 minutes. This way, you will get the brown crispy chicken skin and juicy chicken meat. Don't forget to flip it over to get it evenly brown. Each oven produces different heat. You may have to adjust yours accordingly. By the time chicken is about to be ready, my sticky rice is also done. To keep sticky rice moist, I use a bamboo container here. It reminds me of my childhood. Alright, I think the chicken is well done. Let's get it out from the oven. You can graze your chicken to make it look amazing by mixing water with honey, then brushing it over while still hot. This way, it will make the chicken skin look glossy and very inviting. Alright, it's all done. It's time to serve. Alright guys, here we are. The grilled spicy lemongrass chicken. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe today. And if you would like to support this channel, be sure to like and subscribe and spread the love by sharing this content. I would be very much appreciated. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye now.